Welcome and good morning. As you begin this new day, take this time to connect with the energy of love. Love for yourself, for others, and for the world around you. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale and a soft, steady exhale. Again, breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel yourself arriving more fully in this moment. Let go of the night, of thoughts from yesterday, and of anything that pulls your focus from the now. Feel your body gently rising and falling with each breath. You are safe. You are present. You are grounded. Now, bring your awareness to your heart space, the center of your chest. Imagine a warm, gentle light glowing in your heart. With each breath, this light grows warmer, brighter, and more expansive. This is the energy of love. Unconditional, pure, and ever-present. Allow it to fill your heart completely. As you breathe into your heart, silently repeat these affirmations. I am worthy of love. Love flows freely to me and from me. I am kind to myself. I accept myself exactly as I am. My heart is open and full. Feel these words settling into your being. Let each affirmation nourish you like sunlight. Now imagine the light in your heart expanding beyond your body. First, send this love to someone you care about. A friend, family member, or partner. Feel your heart gently reaching out to them, wrapping them in warmth. Then, extend this love to others in your life. To people you see every day, and even to strangers. Now imagine this light touching those who may be struggling, those who need healing, kindness, or peace. You are sending out love freely, without condition. Let your heart expand even more, radiating love across your community, your country, and the entire world. You are a beacon of love, a source of compassion, a vessel of peace. Take a moment now to feel gratitude for your breath, for your body, for your ability to feel love, and for this new day full of possibilities. Bring your awareness gently back to your body. Notice the sensations in your hands, your feet, and the surface supporting you. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And exhale softly through the mouth. One more time. Inhale love. Exhale peace. Feel the warmth of love still glowing in your chest. A quiet strength you carry with you through the day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry the sense of love and presence with you. Let it guide your actions, your thoughts, and your interactions. Thank you for taking this time to connect and for allowing me into your space. May your day be filled with grace, love, and gratitude.